Oh no! Do you have an exposed light bulb in your Whirlpool dryer? Well, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to replace a light lens cover on a Whirlpool dryer. This also applies to some other great manufacturer brands such as Kenmore, Maytag, Amana, and more. So let's go get this dangerous situation covered. If you need to purchase a replacement light lens for your Whirlpool dryer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. Your dryer has a light on the back of the drying drum where your clothes tumble. This light bulb is covered with a protective cover called a light lens. This lens protects the light bulb from getting damaged during the drying cycle. The light lens does not include a replacement screw. If you need a replacement screw, the link will be in the description. Tools needed: 1/4-inch nut driver or socket, a flashlight, or another light source. Before working on any appliance, please remember to disconnect it from the power. Place or prop your light source to illuminate the back wall of the dryer drum. This model of dryer's lens cover is held on by 1/4-inch hex head screw. Using your nut driver or socket, remove the 1/4-inch screw at the bottom of the plastic light lens located in the back of the dryer drum. The light lens will now lift up and slide out of the back panel of the dryer drum. If you need to purchase a new light lens, make sure you get a manufacturer certified replacement part like the ones that we sell on our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your dryer to be sure you get the correct part. To install your new light lens, tilt the light lens until the mounting clip is inserted into the mounting slot above the light socket. Rotate the lens down and align the screw hole to the mounting hole below the light socket and insert and tighten the screw. That's all for today's repair. If you like saving money by doing appliance repairs at home, why don't you consider subscribing to the channel and maybe giving this video a thumbs up. I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.